The CORSAIR RM650 power supply offers a fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the cables necessary for their system, which helps to reduce clutter and improve airflow. With its 80+ gold efficiency rating, this power supply ensures that your PC receives consistent and reliable power, which is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. This power supply is equipped with triple EPS 12-volt connectors and 4 PCIe 8-pin power connectors, making it compatible with the latest graphics cards and motherboards. The inclusion of a 140mm rifle-bearing fan with a specially calculated fan curve ensures that fan noise is kept to a minimum, even during heavy workloads. For quieter operation during low to medium loads, the 0 RPM fan mode allows the fan to remain off, providing near-silent performance. Industrial-grade, 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors contribute to the outstanding electrical performance and reliability of this power supply, backed by a 10-year warranty.